The apocalyptic secret of Andromeda that nobody told you. A ghost supernova and the beginning of the cosmic disaster. About 2 million years ago, a gigantic star in Andromeda exploded with such violence that it swept away everything in its path. The curious thing is not the explosion, but what that shockwave left behind. A signal that is still relentlessly heading toward us today. And you know the best part? It could be about to reach us. Welcome to Mind-Blown Space, where everything that seems like science fiction ends up being real. Subscribe so you don't miss the next apocalypse. For centuries, the Andromeda Galaxy seemed like just a blurry spot in the sky, until in the year 1885, something changed. A powerful flash suddenly appeared in its core. It wasn't a comet. It wasn't a wandering planet. It was the first supernova ever recorded outside the Milky Way. It was named S. Andromeda, but don't be fooled by that harmless-sounding name. What exploded there released so much energy that it could have evaporated the entire Earth if it had happened in our stellar neighborhood. But here comes the unsettling part. That star died millions of years ago, and yet its electromagnetic pulse is still traveling through space, at the speed of light, straight toward us. And yes, you keep opening social media as if nothing is happening. The most ironic thing is that when it happened, astronomers didn't even know that Andromeda was a galaxy. They thought it was a luminous cloud in the suburbs of the Milky Way. A cloud. No wonder nobody panicked. It wasn't until the 20th century that the great Edwin Hubble confirmed the obvious. Andromeda is a complete galaxy, as big as ours, and with enough stars to fry us in 10 different ways. And of course, what happened in 1885 was just a small warning, because at its center, hidden under layers of blinding light and cosmic dust, the remnant of that supernova is still there, waiting, watching. And if you thought that was all Andromeda had in store, hold on tight. The double nucleus and the hungry black hole of Andromeda. In the heart of the Andromeda Galaxy, there are not one, but two nuclei. Yes, you read that right. Two centers, two bright regions, two foci of cosmic chaos that nobody can fully explain. One of them, huge and dazzling, is slightly displaced from the geometric center. The other, dimmer, smaller, and much more dangerous. Because in that silent nucleus hides a black hole that could swallow 1,000 suns without even burping. Let's break it down. In theory, spiral galaxies have only one nucleus, compact, dense, well-defined. But no, Andromeda had to be special. It had to play with our neurons. Its double structure has puzzled astronomers for decades. Why are there two nuclei? Did it merge with another galaxy? Is it split in two by an opaque strip of dust? Nobody knows, but everyone fears it. And there, in the dimmer center, lives a cosmic beast. A supermassive black hole with a mass 50 million times greater than that of the Sunday. And no, it's not just a backdrop. That monster generates such gravitational pull that it distorts time, matter, and the life expectations of anyone who gets close. Don't worry, it's far away. For now, as if that weren't enough, around that black hole orbits a deranged neutron star. Yes, one of those that spin every 3 seconds, emit X-rays like nightclub spotlights, and threaten to absorb their companion star. Every 4 hours, the entire system undergoes a cosmic eclipse, and its light intensity plummets. Romantic number. It's a dance of destruction. But wait, there's more. The neutron star is slowly devouring its companion. Like a stellar vampire that is in no hurry. In a few million years, it will completely disintegrate it and turn into a burning nebula. That is, another pretty little fire for you to look at through a telescope, right before its shockwave ruins our afternoon. And meanwhile, all this is happening right in the nucleus of a galaxy that is heading toward us at more than 300,000 meters per second. But relax, there's still time for infinite scrolling. The most unstable star in all of Andromeda is about to explode. In a chaotic corner of Andromeda's galactic disk, right where young clusters reproduce like cosmic rabbits, shines a star that not even the most patient astronomers can predict. It's called AE Andromeda. And yes, it sounds like the name of a galactic influencer, but there's nothing superficial about it. It's one of the brightest and most dangerous stars in the entire galaxy. A giant blue bomb on the verge of collapse. Literally. This is not a common star. AE Andromeda belongs to an extremely rare group of luminaries called luminous blue variables. Translation into human language? They are enormous, Hot stars with moods more volatile than a wet toaster. Their brightness changes with no logical pattern. Sometimes it doubles, sometimes it multiplies by millions. And all because its surface lives in a perpetual state of thermonuclear war. The pressure inside AE Andromeda is so brutal that its outer layers tremble like cosmic jelly. Streams of plasma crash into each other, causing unpredictable flares and extremely high radiation emissions. According to calculations, its temperature exceeds 20,000 Kelvin. Its mass could be up to 120 times greater than the Sun's Kelvin. And its radius, when it swells, can exceed 50 times that of the Star King. Basically, a neon-lit monster. But the most absurd thing is its mass loss. Every second, this star throws into space about 2 quadrillion tons of matter, and it does so as cheerfully as someone tossing confetti at a party. In galactic terms, it is literally disintegrating in slow motion. But that doesn't stop it, because AE Andromeda has a mission: to explode in a supernova so colossal that it will turn that region of the galaxy into a furnace of lethal radiation. Astronomers agree on one thing: this star's days are numbered. Or rather, its millions of years are numbered. But that, by cosmic standards, is like saying, tomorrow afternoon. When it finally detonates, it will leave behind a black hole and a nebula that could outshine any we know. Of course, that's if it doesn't wipe us out first with its shockwave. And the most ironic thing is that while AE Andromeda collapses out of control, millions of tourists keep taking pictures of the sky without knowing they're looking at a stellar time bomb. The inevitable collision that will reinvent the universe, and probably wipe us off the map. Sometimes the universe feels like a slow, majestic, distant opera, until you remember that Andromeda, that peaceful galaxy that looks like a cotton candy spiral in NASA photos, is rushing toward us like a runaway locomotive. The speed? More than 300,000 meters per second. The destination? A head-on collision with the Milky Way. The result? A new galaxy, with no name and no blue planet to observe it. The fascinating part, and by fascinating we mean absolutely terrifying, is how this cosmic dance works. The 2 largest galaxies of the local group are being pulled toward each other by the forces of gravity. No brakes, no curve, just a cosmic highway straight into chaos. And we're not talking about a clean or elegant event. We're talking about billions of stars colliding like marbles shot in slow motion over billions of years. To put it into perspective, about 800 million years ago, Andromeda already went through a traumatic experience when a satellite galaxy called M32 decided to crash into it like someone tripping at a wedding. The impact left a hole in one of its spiral arms, vaporized stars, and turned M32 into a shadow of what it once was. So if that was just a side collision, imagine what a head-on fusion with the entire Milky Way will be like. And don't think it will be something distant and harmless. By the time it happens, the sun will be in its final throes, throwing flares that will make Netflix look like a campfire. If humanity is still around, which is already a risky bet, it will have to decide between colonizing worlds with absurd gravity, adapting to impossible living conditions, or simply disappearing like so many cosmic civilizations that never left a trace. But hey, not everything is drama. The merger of the 2 galaxies will create a new colossal stellar structure. Bigger, brighter, more useless if there's no one left to observe it. Because yes, the universe will keep spinning, shining, and colliding, even if there isn't a single species left to post on their social networks. We lived the end of the world, but with style. So if this trip through Andromeda left your jaw on the floor and a slight sense of existential insignificance, do what any rational being would do. Subscribe to Mindblown Space, leave your galactic comment, and share it with that friend who still thinks Earth is the center of the universe. See you, if the universe lets us.